Science of Computer. I'm working abroad for 5 years in Dubai as a housemaid, 2 years in Singapore for 2 years, and the third one is in Cyprus for 1 year as a housemaid. My duties and my responsibilities as a housemaid is to perform a routine and home maintenance course to keep the home tidy and orderly. My duties and I know how to cook, iron, washing. My duties in as a nanny is to take care of the babies and adults. Uh, by overseeing their activities, providing companionship, assisting by dressing, eating, and bathing. That's all, ma'am.